In the studio today is the lovely Raynor. Rachel is an amazing singer and a bit of a regular to the studio. Just type Rachel Raynor in Google and you'll see what I mean. Today we're going to be filming and recording 2 Christmas songs. Once we download the tracks, I get the hair off the microphone, set up the lighting, Rachel can get ready, put on her makeup while I sort the audio side of things. We'll have a chat about where we're going to film, how we're going to film. I really do need to clean that window. We can get down to filming and recording both of the songs. That's all done. Now time to say goodbye. Wish Rachel a Merry Christmas. I'll go back to the studio and start mixing some vocals. Nothing too taxing here. If I mix into a performance, I do it slightly differently, just so what you're hearing matches exactly with what you're seeing. Once again using Pro Q3, loving the Arvox from Waves at the moment. For the mastering side, I'm going to use a Pultec emulation, get that sounding sweet, an API 2500 for bus compression, and the old favourite Pro L2 from FabFilter for limiting. Once I've finished the audio side of things, it's to the video editing. There's just one file per song, so there's no editing as such, just getting it looking really nice, getting some really nice skin tones, make sure we're both happy, and then we're done. Don't forget to check out Rachel Raynor. This video will be out by the time you see this. Until next time,